Hey, it's me again. This is, I told you I'd go over my herbal gathering kit. This is it. It's a Swedish canteen with a cup. The back of it I broke off a while back, so it is what it is. This is a World War II paratrooper medic bag. I got this at the old Grouch's military surplus in Clyde. It was, I'm thinking 20 bucks, 10 bucks. On the inside flap, you have a compartment for pencils and a pair of scissors, which I don't use. You have a flap this way and kind of a protective flap right here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So I'm trying to do it in a continuous shot so you can see that I do not add or subtract anything. But I'm gonna have to set this down, so I will come back. See, I'm starting back. I just used the two hands to get it open. Okay, this is the contents of the kits. I have a Stanley Cook set with a nesting cup. Basically, this is so I can make teas, tinctures, decoctions, everything in the field if I need to. Plus it has a strainer cup and the two plastic cups are inside it. I have a oven holder thing that I made, a pot holder, just so I can take that and get it off the heat, not burn myself. I have multiple old pill bottles in here that I have washed out, and this is good to get herbs, get roots, get barks, and keeps it watertight. And that way I can just get a small amount when I need it and take it with me if I need to. I have these. This is just blank cards that if I'm out I can take notes. I can see plants, I can take notes, reminders, information if I talk to people. A writing a rain pad with markers, pencils for the thing. This thing right here comes in handy because it's really easy to shred the bark with it because it's rough. It's a thing for my wife's fingernails. She's got like 100 of them. So this is a little cheap Esbit stove for tablets. If I'm out and I'm sick, or if I just want to make a quick tea, I don't want to rub two sticks together. That's just me. Maybe I'm lazy. I have an old cotton bandana to filter if I need to. A Mora Classic number 2. This is my first bushcraft knife. Now it's an herb knife. This right here comes in handy. It's a cat's claw or cat's paw mini pry bar. I can dig with it. I can scoop up herbs with it. I can crush with it. So I can hammer with it, I can pry with it, dig up roots, and it saves my knife. This is so handy. Plus, since some roots only grow in dense ground, chop it up, dig it up, you know, hammer the roots, crush the roots. I have some 550 in case I want to tie some plants to me. I have just a quick first aid kit in case I get, you know, briars or get a headache or something. It's just some pads if I get scraped with, you know, whatever. I have a little bit of electrical tape, so in case I do get some herbs, I can pop a little bit of this on the medicine bottle and write on it what it is. You know, another bandana. Some more pill bottles for herb gathering, and as you can see, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it interesting. So leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you.